Electromagnetic flow meter HART configuration. First, let's connect 24-volt DC power supply to the device. Now let's turn on the device. Long press Z key to get into the menu. Enter default password 06108 using M and S keys. Long press M key to enter. Use M and S key to scroll through menu. Long press M key to go into sub-menu. Here you can change flow response, flow unit, decimal places to display. Long press M key to edit, M and S key to change, and long press M to save. Flow range. Long press M key to edit, M and S key to change, and long press M to save. Press Z key to go back to main menu. Now enter basic setup. Here in sensor size, enter the line size of the flow meter. Meter factor is the correction factor of the flow meter. To calculate this value, divide display by required value and multiply it with old correction value. In this menu you can select totalizer unit. You can select normal or reverse flow direction. You can set percentage flow cutoff. You can select display parameters of line 1. You can set display parameters of line 2, which can be also changed in the main screen through S key. Now let's go to Advanced Settings. From here you can set HART address. Automatic and manual 0. In automatic 0 you can set flow parameter to 0. Caution: automatic 0 should be done only with no flow and fluid must be filled in the line. Manual flow is used for manual correction of no flow output. Now let's go through the output parameters of the meter. Here you can select the measure mode, forward or reverse or both. In this menu you can select current output mode. In this menu you can select pulse or alarm or frequency. In pulse factor you can select pulse per quantity of fluid. and also the pulse width. You can set the maximum frequency if frequency output is selected. Here you adjust the 4 mA output if it is not accurate. Here you adjust the 20 mA output if it is not accurate. You can set the alarm settings in the main menu. In Total Set you can set and adjust totalizer parameters. In Tot Reset you can reset the totalizer. Inside Test Settings you can test the device hardware. Like display output, pulse output, and current output. Press Z key to go back to main screen. You can scroll second line by pressing S key. Now let's connect HART output to UPC. Connect HART modem 2 wires to AND IOUT and COM terminal. As shown above. If your HART modem require an external resistor, please connect an 250 ohm resistor across IOUT plus terminal and common terminal. Please switch off the device while wiring the terminal. Now let's configure device through HART software. Select appropriate communication port. Here the communication is established and you can read and write device parameters. You can change the device pole address, device ID. In configuration settings you can edit sensor size, unit, and URV upper range value. After changing it, you can write it to the device using the buttons. In output menu you can adjust output parameters and display parameters. You can monitor process variables and other device parameters. In transmitter adjustment you can configure 4 to 20 current output. In zero adjustment you can adjust process variable to 0. In parameter setting you can edit meter factor, flow direction and other settings.